A. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. A for air. Air. A for aeroplane and air. Aeroplane and air. Aeroplane and air. B. B for bank. B for bank. B. B for books. B for books. So, B for bag and books. Bag and books. B for bag and books. C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cow. C for cow. So, C for cat and cow. Cat and cow. D. D for dog. D for dog. D for duck. D for duck. So, D for dog and duck. Dog and duck. E. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for egg. Egg. E for egg. So, E for eagle and egg. Eagle and egg. F. F. F for flower. F for flower. F for fly. F for fly. So, F for flower and fly. Flower and fly. G. G. G for goat. G for goat. G for goose. G for goose. So, G for goat and goose. Goat and goose. H. H. H for hen. H for hen. H for hose. H for horse. So H for hen and horse. Hen and horse. I for eyes. I for eyes. I for igloo. I for igloo. So I for eyes and igloo. Eyes and igloo. J for John. J for John. J for Jack. J for Jack. So J for jar and Jack. J for jar and Jack. K for king. K for king. K for kite. K for kite. So K for king and kite. K for king and kite. L for lion. L for lion. L for lamb. L for lamb. So L for lion and lamb. L for lion and lamb. M for mango. M for mango. M for monkey. M for monkey. So M for monkey and mango. Monkey and mango. N for nest. N for nest. N for net. N for net. N for net. So N for nest and net. Here you can see nest with net. O for owl. O for owl. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. So, O for owl and ostrich. Owl and ostrich. O for owl and ostrich. B. B. B for parrot. B for parrot. B. B for parrot. P for peacock. P for peacock. So, P for parrot and peacock. P for parrot and peacock. Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quill. So, Q for queen and quill. Queen and quill. R. R. R for rat. R for rat. R for rope. R for rope. R for rope. So, R for rat and rope. R for rat and rope. S. S. S for sky. S for sky. S for star. S for star. So, S for sky and star. S for sky and star. T. 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 T for tiger. T for tiger. T for toad. T for toad. So, T for tiger and toad. T for tiger and toad. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. So, U for umbrella and unicorn. Umbrella and unicorn. V for violet. Violet color. V for violet. V for van. V for van. So, V for violet and van. Violet van. W for well. W for well. W for water. W for water. So, W for well and water. You can see water from well. Well and water. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. So, X for Xmas and Xmas tree. Y for yellow. Yellow color. Y for yellow. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. So, Y for yellow and yacht. So, you can see a yellow yacht. Yellow and yacht. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zero. So, Z for zebra and zero. Z for zebra and zero. Zebra and zero. Thank you, kids. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.